Hey, what's up guys? I'm from BSC Tech and today's topic is very hot. It is getting very hot nowadays on social media, and we will be talking about Facebook Marketplace. And this video is for those people who regularly buy and sell on Facebook. Regardless of what kind of product you buy and what kind of product you sell, this is the ultimate guide which you need to follow. And I made a video 2 years back on this topic, which you can still view on my channel. I will give the link in the description. You can also click on that link and that will take you there. That is a foolproof method, but today I've come up with another solution, and this solution is also bulletproof. So if you watch the video till the end and kindly spare some time in order to save you more hassle. So this happened to a lot of people, and a lot of times when your accounts are getting flagged, if you post from different IP addresses that are not authorized through your devices with your Facebook apps. For example, if you are signing with the two phones and you are using two different IPs, and you are posting from those two IPs every now and then, whether it's you or it's your second account, that will still get flagged. Okay, so the points are, keep in mind, Facebook is basically operated by automated system. There are very few people behind the desks who will look after and work around on your complaints and the reports you submit. It's automated system, and you need to find a way to cheat that automated system, which is humanly not possible. So the best and the finest solution is to avoid those mistakes which will cause you a lot of trouble. Just to give you a heads up, I have listed only one product from my account. As you can see on my marketplace, there is only one item which I listed a couple of minutes ago, and that is under review. That is standard for an account which has been sitting around for some time, and it's a dormant account. I haven't used this for some time, but the problem is basically, keep a note of these things which you should figure out next time when you list your item. And if you miss even a single point, or if you skip even a single point out of these, then obviously your account is going to get toasted. This is a proven method, guys. So here are the things which you need to avoid. Whenever you list something, you simply follow these rules. First thing, you need to go on your Facebook profile and click on this icon and delete any pending listing which is there for some time. Recently, there are a lot of people who are sending me messages and asking me why this thing started happening all of a sudden again. And yes, there is a big spike in recent weeks, and especially in the past 3 or 4 weeks, and for that reason I'm making this video. I hope you will keep some sort of patience with you, and this will sort your problem. If this video helps you out in any way, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in the comment section below. The first and the only key to move forward is to keep patience. If you don't have patience, please stop watching this video right now and move to something else. I will encourage you to follow this guide, and hopefully your problem will be sorted. Point number one, you're posting more than 3 listings a day. This is crazy, guys. I know it makes no sense to anyone who's a professional seller, who's making a living out of selling. If you post 3 items, that's fair. If you post more than 3 items in a single day, that is going to basically flag your account sooner or later. Second point, posting inaccurate prices. If you're selling something and that is overpriced and you just want to make extra bucks, that is unfair, guys. Stick to the actual price. Now the Facebook has recently introduced a new sort of algorithm system in place, and that is basically suggesting you the estimated prices based on the recent selling history on Facebook. So either you follow that price guide, just like eBay gives you like a rough idea about the selling price or an estimated price. Either you follow that guide on Facebook, or you simply don't put a price. You can simply put 1, 2, 3, and when people they message you, you can simply answer them for their query. Third thing is, you're not responding to customer messages at all. Whether you're a private seller or a business seller, it doesn't make any difference to anybody. You are not responding to customers' messages at all. That can also flag your account and you can get toasted. Fourth, you're posting over an amount of total prices. For example, if you are selling like a list of 4 items in one go, for example, it's a bundle, or it's 2 or 3 items at once, and your pricing are not mixed and they make no sense. So the system can't figure out. So try to post only one item at one time and slowly take it further. Number 5, you're posting different types of items. For example, if you are selling phones, or you're selling household items, or you're selling beauty products, then all of a sudden you start selling phones. Then all of a sudden you start selling like cooking products, food, or pet supplies, or something else. So stick to one item. This applies to both private and business sellers if you are a household item seller. So start posting only one item at one time, or start posting in the same segment and only 3 items a day. Then the next one is posting or logging from different IP addresses. For example, you are posting from your work. When you go to your work, you start posting from there. Then you use a desktop at your home. Then you went to a coffee shop or a restaurant or a shopping mall, you post from there. And basically you try to utilize your time, which is fair, which everybody can understand. That's how it works. But obviously system doesn't like, and the system will basically flag your account. And then you're posting links in your listings, which is very dangerous, guys. Your account will be flagged for advertising, and that advertising is counted as your personal business, not something related with the Facebook activities. So this is very dangerous, guys. When you share links in your messages with your customers, this is not going to help you out, and this is basically going to put your account in a very difficult situation. So to beat these flags or red flags, delete all of your listings with the flags. When you sell something, mark it sold, and these are the plus points which you need to configure. When you sell something, you need to mark it sold on Facebook mobile and select the customer you sold it to. Remember, when you sold something, you're not supposed to delete it, and you're not supposed to mark that option when Facebook asks you, have you sold your item? So there's an answer as well at the end that I would not like to answer. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. You're using Facebook services. Then the second tip is you file a Facebook Marketplace support request. If your item is still under review, you let them know that what you sell and why you are selling and what is the reason. And opening a business page and verify it through facebook.com/business will definitely avoid you going through all this hassle. Use the business manager and set up with your social security number, or if you're in the UK, it's like your national insurance or whatever they ask you. Basically, it's just a driving license or passport copy. Facebook is moving towards the managed payment system in coming years, and they have started to implement this in the background. This is the whole idea about controlling things. And by the time Facebook will stand in front of eBay and Amazon Marketplace, it's a huge opportunity for them. They don't want to miss any beat of from this business idea. And a lot of people have heard in the past that Facebook will be launching its own currency, so they will be combining their marketplace and their own currency. So that was today's guide, guys. If you have any question, any feedback, or any objection on today's guide, do let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.